ABT presents A1 Level Conversations.
Our amazing weekends, fun, family, and relaxation.
Hello, everyone. Let me tell you about our weekends. Our weekends are full of fun, food, and family. We love every moment. On Saturday morning, we wake up later than usual. The sun is bright. The air is fresh. We smile because the weekend is here. My family loves weekends. We eat a big breakfast. We eat eggs, bread, fruit, and cheese. We drink orange juice and coffee. Breakfast is always delicious. After breakfast, we clean the house. We wash the dishes. We sweep the floor. We make the beds. The house becomes fresh and shiny. After that, we go shopping. We walk to the supermarket. We buy bread. We buy milk. We buy rice and vegetables. My children love the fruit section. They choose apples, bananas, and grapes. My wife chooses tomatoes and onions. I choose some snacks. We always buy what we need. At noon, we eat lunch together. Sometimes we cook pasta. Sometimes we cook soup. We always enjoy our lunch. After lunch, we rest a little. We sit on the sofa. We watch TV. We listen to music. We feel relaxed and happy. In the afternoon, we go outside. We walk in the park. We play with the kids. We ride bicycles. The trees are green. The flowers are colorful. The sky is blue. Nature makes us feel good. We meet friends in the park, and we talk with them. The children run and laugh. On Saturday evening, we visit our family. We go to my mother's house. She cooks delicious food. We talk about the week. We tell stories. We drink tea and eat cake. The children play with their cousins. Everyone feels happy and comfortable. On Sunday morning, we go to church. We meet our friends. We sing. We pray. We feel calm and peaceful. After church, we walk home. The streets are quiet. The air is warm. On Sunday afternoon, we stay at home. We relax. We watch movies. We eat popcorn. We play games together. Sometimes we read books. Sometimes we draw or color. We enjoy our time. On Sunday evening, we prepare for the new week. We check the school bags. We prepare the clothes. We write a list of things for Monday. Everything is ready for the next day. At night, we eat dinner together. We talk and we laugh. We enjoy the last hours of the weekend. Finally, we go to bed early. We sleep well and we dream happy dreams. Weekends are special for us. We spend time together. We eat good food. We play and we relax. Our weekends give us energy. Our weekends give us love. Our weekends are amazing.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.